You guys, I burnt the shit out of my forehead, so now I'm gonna have like 2-3 dots on my forehead.
I always thought on my silhouette. I always on my emotions in a few boots in a palm tree. I be keeping in private, don't call me to party up. Fuck on your nigga for cardio. So good if he fell up right away. I put my feelings on layaway. Now I'm being used. I'm playing stupid. Don't fake it too. I don't know that shit I'm playing.
Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back. Today I'm gonna be doing an install with a unit that I received from Ft.Bestlacewigs. I tried to do this install when I was back in Tampa, but I was like, I didn't have my ring lights with me, and the quality of the video was very much so trash. I was trying to give like a realistic day-to-day like kind of vibe with installing the hair, but like I said, the quality wasn't up to par. So I ended up scratching that video, and I'm deciding to re-record it for you guys today because, you know, I'm back at home. Obviously, my lighting is here, face is beat, outfit is somewhat on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with this sweater for today or not, but it's like a chill day. I'm gonna be cooking with my friend. We're gonna be doing like a jerk salmon pasta later on, and I just wanted to do my hair for it because we might go and grab drinks after we cook in the crib. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it. And remember, this is a reinstall, so it does have the baby hairs that I already created on there, so you know, it don't come with these baby hairs. The knots are very light on this unit, and the quality of this lace is amazing because they have this new technique with their clear, clean lace, and it just gives a more natural appearance to your lace, and it makes it's super easy to install. So today I'm going to be using my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. If y'all OG supporters, y'all know about my Tresemme hairspray. As you can see, my wig cap is on, and I'm just going to just pull my wig cap down and just start preparing for this. I have to remove a little bit of my makeup too. Go ahead and grab my Magic Lace Tint Spray. This stuff is really good just to darken up the lace a little bit so it can mimic your complexion. And because I do have a full face of makeup on, I want to make sure it's looking like my foundation a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Don't get too crazy because this product is kind of like orange. This is the 4 max hold. They do have the 5 max hold in, I want to say Target, or it might have been, no, it was actually in Publix. They have the 5 max hold in Publix. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, and I do already have my elastic band ready for the install. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and remove my makeup around the perimeter. Spray the lace one more time and then lay. This hairspray makes me remember so much. It takes me back in a time where I was just like, you know, one day I'm gonna be exactly where I wanna be. And to see how far I've came since when I used to use this, it's like, okay, you know, God is good. Middle part because I did a middle part the last time I installed their wig, so I'm gonna keep it on the side, and I want to do like a deep side part. I've been loving the deep side part look. I don't want to OG it too much, but I'm just gonna make sure it's looking natural as possible. She's already looking really, really good. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this alcohol, and I'm just going to put it right here just to loosen up that hairspray hold. I'm just gonna take this wax stick because sometimes when I try to do my deep side parts, they be trying to play me, and I just don't have time today. I wanted to still give like laid down, but not like using any kind of like heavy products. So I'm gonna try to get that together. When I say I beat my face today, I still need to like blend this in. I'm trying to leave that there until like the last minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start curling the hair using my T3 curling iron. And that is pretty much it. We're gonna play with the baby hairs a little bit more, but this was super easy to install, guys. I'm so here for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off because I do want these curls to be really nice, long lasting, because I'm going to be wearing this for a couple of days. I always vouch for Best Lace Wigs, like hair quality. It was always super, super nice. I also felt that they needed to, you know, step up the lace quality a little bit more, and they did that. Now it's just 100% all across the board. So I'm really excited that I'm able to share with you guys my, you know, opinion about Best Lace Wigs in 2022, because I have been working with this company for a very, very long time.
I always thought I might see the way. I always on my emotions in a few boots, need a palm tree up. Keeping in private, don't call me to pipe it up. Fuck on your nigga for cardio. Too good if you feeling up right away. Put my feelings on later way. Done being used, done playing stupid, done faking too. I don't want none of this shit I'm playing. Done being sued, done feeling clueless, that's how you do. I don't want none of this shit, let me find it short. Far like I don't recognize me. Far cause I think you define me. Far cause I can't trust nobody. Far, stay far, so far. Lately I feel less cool as before. Nobody has a fuck that about. Nobody has to stop your best. Things you said to her bullshit at the door. Got it every time I need to be my ego. Nobody want me to be my hero. Always on my mind. Trust is not a fight. Everything reminds me of us. I just want my sanity back. Better than me, your enemy. Better than let it go.
If you guys are interested in a body wave unit, I will link all of their information in the description box below if you guys are interested. I think this is a body wave. I might be mistaking it for a straight, but once again, it will be linked in the description box below. Check it out. I'd love to know you guys' opinions, your thoughts. Are enjoying my little side part moment over here or what. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday. I miss you guys, and thank you guys always and forever for supporting me and coming back to see what your girl got going on. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.